What's going on, Fireflies? It's me, NeonMUA, and I'm here to present you with some greatness.
Look here, Capricorns.
I want y'all to shut up now. I'll give you what you want, damn it. Alright, you guys, so in case you cannot tell what's going on, today I am finally back for my Zodiac series. It's been a minute. So in case you guys do not know, last year I started a Zodiac series in which I create a look based off of each of the 12 Zodiacs in the Western Zodiac system. So you guys get to see my take on some different artworks, get some creative thoughts out, and then so far I've done Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, and Sagittarius. And as you can see, I'm a little late. As I told you guys in past video, I had a lot of family stuff going on. So I'm in the process of catching up on things, if you will. So I'm currently catching up on the Zodiac series as well. So today I am doing a look for Capricorn, the sea goat. In case you guys don't know what a Capricorn is, or it's essentially the head and torso of a goat and the tail of a mermaid or fish. So yeah, so the color story is definitely there, a mix of like purples, greens, blues with browns, blacks. So mixing, you know, the water-esque vibes of the mermaid tail and the earth vibes of the, listen, it makes sense. Clear, visually it makes sense. I don't want to hear it. Yeah, you guys, I just want to say thank you for being so patient with me. I know I've been gone from it. Like I said, a lot's been going on, but I'm thankful to Fireflies that's been super patient and super open and willing to just me getting back to the swing of things. So here we are. All right, you guys, as always, before this video begins, if at any point you are enjoying yourself and enjoying me and the content I'm creating, then go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, like, and support. It means so much. Also, you guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I upload. And also make sure you guys follow me on all my social media accounts as well. That is NeonMUA on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. Everything's NeonMUA. No issues, no problems. My sister's back here behind the camera acting a damn fool, and I'm sick of it. Oh, you so ugly. Yeet, 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 yeet.
Oh, no, ma'am.
Yeet.
No.
Alright, you guys, enough for the shenanigans and the hoop-de-whoop-de-whoop. I know you guys are waiting and itching for this Capricorn look. So, without further ado, let's get right into this video of the Zodiac series, Capricorn the Sea Goat. So, let's go.